Hello, it's Joe from EV Help, and today we're going to be using the BP Pulse 50 kilowatt. I'm going to show you how to charge in two different ways on the membership card, and we're going to be using contactless. So let's give it a go. So as you can see, the charger has three cables. You've got CCS on the left, you've got CHAdeMO, and then you've got Type 2. Now just to let you know that you can only charge one car on this machine at one time. So if you have someone plugged into the CCS and you think, oh, I can plug into Type 2 or CHAdeMO, no chance, it won't work. So as you can see, you've got guest, that's if you want to pay contactless or with a debit card, and if you're not a member of the BP Pulse service. Or you've got member. Today we're going to give you a go on the member. So I've got a membership card here, so you tap member and it's saying tap your membership card on the terminal below the screen, start charging. So there's the pater, and then it will say verified, and then you're welcome, your card has been accepted. Now what they're going to ask you is what charger connector are you in. So at this stage what I'd say is I would have plugged my car in, or my van at this stage, already in, but today we're going to try it a different way. You're going to hit CCS, you're going to grab the cable, run over quickly to the van, plug it in, and you should see a solid green light there. You hear the click, and then now the charger's going to go through its check. So it's checking the cable, you've heard a clunk then, that's all the contactors kicking in, it's communicating, it's going to do a safety check, and then it's going to start delivering the charge, at which you'll start hearing the fans kicking in. So there we go. So we've got 20% charge at the moment. You've got the energy supplied, which is 0 at the moment, but that will tick over, and then you've got how long you've been plugged in. You've also got the signal up here. If you don't have any solid bars on there, that means you've got no signal, so the BP Pulse guys might need to reboot the systems. That could take up to 5-10 minutes. And on these ones you've also got a consideration charge. So if you're here longer than 90 minutes, you will get charged £10 per hour. And there we have it. That is us charging on the membership card at a BP Pulse. Now I'm going to try contactless. So to simply stop the charge, it's quite simple. You come over, you hit stop, and then you have to tag your membership on the pater, and there you go. It'll tell you how much you've been delivered and how long it's been on for, and they'll ask you to disconnect your car. So now I'm going to show you how to use your contactless debit card if you're not a member on the 50 kilowatt BP Pulse. So come over to the screen, you hit guest. So it will say that you're going to be charged 56p per kilowatt, and there's a £15 credit reservation. So it can talk to the bank, and then you have to hit accept, and then you simply tap your card on the pater. It's now communicating with the bank, card's been detected, your card has been verified, and then you are welcome. And then you pick your charger, you hit CCS. I've already plugged it in this time, so it's already plugged in, and then it will go through the safety checks just as the membership. Fans kicking in now, and there we have it. That's charging on contactless. And then if you want to stop it, you hit stop, you go straight to the pater with your contactless cards, tap it on, and then it will stop.